Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we will understand about API. We will understand API in depth, and let's start. So, the full form of API is Application Programming Interface. So, let's understand the meaning of these words first. So, first of all, is application. Application, as you know, is any software or any app, website, or service that you use in your daily life. And second one is programming. So basically what programming is, it's mean telling the computer what to do by giving it step by step instructions in special language, because computer doesn't understand our language, so we need to give instruction to him by the help of any language like Python, Java, C++, etc. And third one is interface. So interface, you as all you know, that it's like a meeting point or a medium where two things can talk with each other. So basically what application programming interface is, it it is a mediator that helps two software to communicate it with each other by the help of programming languages. So let's understand this definition of this API. So, an application programming interface is a set of rules or protocol that enables software application to communicate with each other to exchange data, features, and functionality. So, by this is very simple definition. You would all have understood this, but let's take an example to further understand this. So, consider you are in a hotel and you want something on your table. So you first of all take the menu and order something. So first you call the waiter and say, just I want these things on my table to eat. So here in this scenario, consider API as waiter. So what does API do? What does a waiter do? It takes a request from us and goes to kitchen, and he picks whatever we needed and serves it to our table. So it's a mediator. It takes request from us and takes data from the kitchen and the required things from the kitchen and serves us on the table. Same way API does. What it does, it is also a mediator. It takes request from the application, software, or user, and it goes to the database here, and based on our information it give response to the user or software applications. So here we understood that application interface is a mediator. But in older days, what were used, why the API came into existence, so let me explain it to you. So basically in old days, what used to happen is, basically when we create an application, we used to have front end back end on same application. So they were tightly coupled, and they used to share information between the each other on same software. But as the industry grows, many of the back end services need to grow, so there are a lot of data. But in some applications we need only some data for us. So what happened is, there were a problem that there is a lot of data in database, so no one knows where to, how to serve this data to the required application. So take an example, like you have bank account and it has all the data of your bank details, like this. Let me share you to the screen. So it contains all the data of yours. So what does API do? It takes input like send me account number, amount, pin in this format, and it requests this data from bank and serves to the users applications. Like uh, we all use Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. So these are companies, these are separate companies, and they need your access of that bank details. So what they do, they go to an API and they pass the account number, amount, pin, and get the data from the bank. So in this way, the bank can sell their information to these companies. So basically, it does work as a mediator. So in further videos, we will understand uh, further versions of API like REST API, Fast API, and how do we use them. So be with my videos, follow them, and let's meet in new video. Thank you.